Have you ever tried something so good on vacation that you just can't stop thinking about it when you get home?
Yes.
Well, we're trying to recreate that feeling here in Packhacker HQ. We're trying snacks from around the world, and I think we might find a few new faves to add to our snack time rotation. Are you up for it?
Let's do it.
All right, let's start with they look like little
Puffies.
peanut butter puffs.
Absolutely love peanut butter.
All right, I'm gonna dump some on your plate. That's
It's like
way
a
too
peanut
many.
butter Cheeto. Yeah.
I figured as much.
Just for everyone to know. Less peanut buttery than I thought. But
Drier
still-
than I thought.
Yeah, that's very true. So dry.
I think it sucked all of the moisture out of my mouth the second I took a bite. It tastes very naturally like peanut butter. It
It's
doesn't
got it.
taste like
It's like a light peanut butter light. I feel like I want to put milk on it. Captain Crunch kind of. But
cereal.
it's different. You're not gonna cut your mouth on it.
Here you go.
Yeah,
Slice the top. It's also saltier. I like these though. I'd buy these again.
I would.
All right, falafel flavor now.
we go.
Baked, not fried. Unclear. They look similar texture though.
Monsieur chips. Ooh, it smells good. Getting that falafel smell.
Really good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, oh yeah. I would totally buy this. These are great.
I would slam this whole bag in one sitting.
I would put a poster of this guy up in my bedroom.
Buy this in bulk, and everybody that comes to your place gets to leave with a bag.
Oof. Love it.
So KFC flavor. Have you ever had chicken chips?
No, maybe.
Okay.
Colonel Sanders, really good entrepreneur. You know he started that when he was super old.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Pretty good.
That's like concerningly accurate. It tastes like if you were just eating the chicken skin off of
does.
fried chicken from KFC.
I kind of want it to be a kettle chip though. I want a little more.
That would be good because then it would be
Yeah.
like the crunch of fried chicken
Yeah.
plus, because this is, I mean, they're
Let's
still
try
crunchy
two at a
enough.
time stacked. Those are really good. It's really accurate.
Shockingly similar.
It really
to
is.
eating KFC fried chicken. I would buy these.
I would too. They're great.
Yeah, you can bread your chicken in them.
That would be
'em
really,
up?
really good. Crush them up, bread the chicken. If you want to see another video of us just like messing with these chips, just give it a thumbs up.
So I believe that this one, when we went to the store, we asked him what the spiciest one he had was,
Oh.
and he said it was this one.
Okay.
What's your relationship with spice?
I love it. After I spent like a month in Thailand, I just got used to it, but I used to not like it.
They don't look like they're going to be that spicy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Pretty spicy off the top.
Pretty immediate, but
Yeah.
it's also front of the mouth.
I mean, it's going around my mouth.
Oh, okay. It's traveling now. And now, like, my under eyes are starting to sweat,
I feel like
which
we need
is
to do
really
a
good.
Hot Ones episode now.
I will not be on that video. I do not think I'm strong enough for a Hot Ones episode. This is obviously spicier than like a Takis.
I mean, I just had a second one. I don't know why. My brain was like, just eat it.
Yeah. How's that for you?
I mean, it's fine. It's good. I mean, but yeah, I guess this is basically like a Cheeto without the orange dust
Yeah.
and just very spicy. Like if you like hot Cheetos, this might be even better for you. This is
It is
spicy.
hot.
It's hot.
It is hot.
Yeah. I'm trying hard to hold it together here.
Yeah. I think I need to get some water before we
Yeah.
move on to the next one.
All right.
Would you buy them?
Yeah. Absolutely.
He'd also eat a third, so he just keeps eating them. All right, so we're gonna do chocolate now. I'm excited to get to this one. This is that like viral Dubai
Ooh, yeah.
chocolate, but we're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah,
start
yeah.
with some others first.
Let's do it.
So we've got the Hershey's. These are like little chocolate pies. Can you, smart.
This is like the bear. Oh, is it like mochi?
Yeah, it's a chocolate chip mochi cookie.
Ooh, okay.
One of
Gracias.
these and one of these.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh,
Oh, that's really good. It's not as mochi as I thought it was going to be.
that one's this one.
Oh, I thought they were both. Okay.
Similar texture in the middle.
Yeah,
Too mochi.
it does. It's kind of like a Mallow cup middle. Does anyone buy Mallow cups? Drop a comment below if you buy Mallow cups. I think for me, like if I'm eating chocolate, I want it to be like just chocolate. It's like dessert with fruit. It's like I'd rather just eat one or the other.
Can't relate.
Yeah, I don't know.
Very understandable.
Yeah.
I think it was like drier than I would like. Okay, so then the mochi we
Okay,
have.
here we go. Oh wait, yeah. It's kind of like conflicting
It just kind of tasted like I was eating a chocolate cookie
for sure.
for both of them, honestly. Maybe it's the spice of the last chip
is overtaking it.
Overtook it.
I think I would skip these and just go like regular mochi. Like I don't need this Hershey's
I agree.
wrapping
Yeah.
in it.
I
Yeah.
would rather just have like a Hershey's like bar of chocolate or something.
Separately and then mochi. Yeah.
Split them up. No need to combine.
Split them up. No.
Yeah. Some Maltesers. I assume you've
yeah.
had these.
They're good. Okay, Maltesers or Whoppers?
I actually don't know if I've had Maltesers. I think I've
Oh.
only had Whoppers. So,
We're gonna find out in this video, folks.
And I love Whoppers.
Okay.
So, all right. Cheers.
It's like more malt than a Whopper.
You know, like Whoppers, when you bite into them, you have to go through like
Yeah.
more layer of chocolate, and it's kind of like mushy, and then
Yeah,
it like
yeah.
pops open. That doesn't happen
Not
with
a
a
Malteser.
Malteser. I've had this for 1 second, and I'm already a convert. So clearly, these are better.
Next snack.
All right.
The viral chocolate.
The viral chocolate from Dubai. It did melt a little in my car on the way home. Oh. She melted a lot of it, huh? So you can see the inside.
Oh yeah, it's like, what is in the middle? Is that like a
So this is
baklava?
pistachio.
Pistachio.
That's what happens when you grind
Cheers.
up nuts.
Yeah, that texture is really good. I get it. Like, I understand why it's viral. It's really good.
This is like what that is trying to be. But this is so good.
Yeah, this is really, really good.
And I would say even if you don't like pistachio,
Yeah, it doesn't really come through.
it doesn't really come through like very strong. And they have a ton of different flavors. But I would eat the whole bar of this for sure.
Yeah.
I think this is great.
It's like a dense crunch bar, like Nestle Crunch Bar, but it's
Yeah.
like denser and like more natural tasting.
And somehow still really lightweight. I get why people are kind of going ham over this. And it's probably a lot prettier when it hasn't melted in the bag. So
All right, we got a Mexican candy first. Pulperin dots. Here you go.
apparently these are filled.
Filled. Are these like gonna be spicy? Let's see. Cheers.
Sure.
That's really good. It's not as like spicy as some Mexican candy is, or like not as tamarindy. Like it's got a lot of sweet in it.
Tastes very much like it's very mango forward. And it's not as spicy as you would have like a chili coated like mango or something like that.
It's got like just enough for my palate at least. Some of that gets like a little bit too spicy for me, like the spicy sweet. It's the perfect size. And the aesthetic is so legit, actually. It looks like a little fruit. Like, look at that
Yeah.
texture on there. Wow. Yeah, there's like little blemishes on it and stuff. Like, okay, next up, we got some Pikachu action on there. Very cutesy, very kawaii. All right, let's
Very
open
demure.
this up. What is this, like a biscuit?
Oh, I
No,
lied.
it's just one big wafer.
Yeah.
I'm like crushing it. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Wow,
Oh,
that
because
is
it's like hard chocolate.
flaky. Do not share this. Eat it all yourself.
Yeah, this is like trying to eat
Very
a
hard to split.
Nature Valley bar. It's just crumbs
All
everywhere.
crumbs, yeah.
All
Cheers.
crumbs. Cheers.
Yeah.
Softer chocolate in the middle than I was expecting.
Yeah, yeah. That's good. It's like better. I don't know how to describe it.
It's very milk chocolatey,
Yeah.
and the wafer is very light. I feel like sometimes when you get like a wafer cookie, it's like too much wafer and not
Yeah.
enough filling. I feel like they really focused on the filling with this one, which is good.
I like it. The packaging is a little like over the top
Yeah.
for what it is, but
So you have a little.
oh, so you collect
little-
these.
Oh, and then
Oh
it,
my God,
and
there's
then
more
it reveals
stickers?
something on the inside. That's
Wow.
cute. Okay, so you get a sticker, and then you also get like a kind of piece of
Piece of art.
paper on the back that you
Yeah.
can do whatever you want with.
My name's Tom. I brought the Skittles.
I think you have to try the dump first.
Oh, these are not Skittles.
Oh.
There you go. You have 4. I'll have
I
1.
mean, I like sour stuff. Soft and
Soft
airy.
and airy.
Well, we'll see.
I should have read the packaging
Yeah.
before. Here we go.
That's not airy.
Not airy at all. Mine tastes like sherbet. It's not that sour.
I don't think that's sour at all.
Should we
Here,
each
yeah.
try the same flavor? Yeah, pink
Yeah,
one.
I just had the green one.
Okay, let's each try the same pink one.
Okay.
Cheers.
It's not really sour. It's like,
It's like a chewy sweet tart. They need to remove the word crazy from here because it's not crazy sour.
no. It's crazy that they think
They
it's
could
sour.
actually get sued for that. Okay, let's see if this is more sour. All right, Trolley, cheers.
Cheers. These aren't sour either.
I'm getting a little bit more now. My piece was bigger than yours too.
I think the gummy itself is sour, not just the coating.
Yeah.
Because with these ones, it was only the coating, and that went away very quickly. With this, it seems like it's inside the gummy more. But I've had way more.
So are Sour Patch Kids more sour than that? I feel like they are.
Sour Patch Kids, you get like that immediate kick. Neither of these gave me that.
Yeah, me neither. If we do another video, we really need to go sour. Do you like Warheads?
I don't eat them very often, but yes.
Did you ever want to get the Warheads toothpaste when you were little? It was like
No,
not
that
ADA
sounds foul.
approved.
What is that?
It was not ADA approved. I wanted it so bad.
It was probably just because kids would just eat it. Didn't Baby Bottle Pops have one that was sour?
Oh yeah.
Or the ones that were, I don't remember what the brand was, but where it was like liquid, and they were like liquid drops, and you literally just drop liquid sour into your mouth. It was like, why are we doing this? Not even close to that. Like,
No.
I wouldn't consider these sour
These
at all.
aren't really sour compared to those.
Yeah.
Compared to a Warhead that actually makes you like pucker up.
Right, exactly. Even, I would say, like you said, Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah. What are we, I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah.
What are we starting with?
Okay. We're starting with the drink.
Okay.
So that we can
Cleanse
have
the palate.
so we can cleanse the palate and have little sippies as we go, which honestly.
Little sippies, here we go. Mira.
Yeah, so a little
Guava.
guava nectar.
Whew,
That is good.
that's so sweet.
That is really good. That's thicker than I thought it was going to be. Tastes more authentic than I would have expected from it. Very
A little
sweet.
too sweet for me personally, but I like more bitter drinks.
Can't relate. Very much into this. Okay, so we'll do the ramen next.
Start with this one.
Okay.
I gotta get my head over here, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Very mild.
Yeah.
Like it's not an overwhelming flavor in any sense. Okay, so
And
then this
one.
flavor.
Is this one spicy? It looks like it's gonna be spicy.
We're
There's
gonna
like a
find out.
bean paste or some kind of paste.
Yeah, it was some kind of a paste. Yes, but no. Has spice, not spicy.
This one's way better, way more flavorful.
Way more flavor.
It's like the right amount of spice.
Yes,
This is like the right amount for me.
I could eat 3 bowls of that
I
for
could
sure.
as well, yeah. Very good.
Egg snack time. I don't know what this means. It's also a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Like, feel the weight of the bag.
Oh,
Yeah. They
Egg
kind of look
snack.
like Nilla wafers.
Nilla, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. Nilla wafer.
Nilla wafer. I do like these, and you get a lot of them in the bag. So
Yeah.
I don't know, it kind of seems like overkill, but I don't know that I would like pick this as like my snack if I had like all of the other options available.
Yeah.
Just because they're not anything that I haven't had before. Like I would say this is the closest one-to-one from something
Yeah,
that we eat.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
This recommendation came straight from Ahmad.
Oh man, you know it's gonna be good then. Za'atar sticks.
Grab one whole
Yeah,
one.
grab
honestly.
one whole one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Lightsaber fight. That's good. A little thyme in there too.
I want to dip this in olive oil really bad.
Yeah.
Like, really bad. It's like those breadsticks that you get at Italian restaurants where you go, why'd you give me this breadstick when you have this other like basket of bread that's
Yeah,
much
yeah.
better?
Yeah.
But if they tasted like this, I would eat them.
I actually like those.
Oh.
But these are better than those.
These are
That's
better
a
than
really
those.
good comparison.
They're kind of softer.
Yeah, they're softer, but they still have like they're still firm. They're not like crispy, but they're solid.
No, I really like this.
Yeah, these are good. Shouts out Ahmad. Thanks, man.
Yeah, great recommendation.
Yeah.
Now we have 100 to eat later. We're
Perfect.
slamming these for a
The
couple
best
days.
part about this video is we just have snacks for the month.
I know.
Yeah.
For the rest of the day, I
rest of the day, at least,
purposefully
yeah.
didn't bring lunch. So, what was your favorite out of all of them?
Probably the whole entire video.
Whole entire video.
Oh my gosh, I need to see over here to
Here.
review them. I'm gonna go, my favorites were these very spicy Cheetos were my favorite, and the close second is the KFC chips. I'm a salty snack kind of a person though, so that's the caveat here.
Yeah, I would say my favorite would be that shrimp ramen, and then the KFC chips too, because I just can't get over how similar they are.
KFC chips are a win.
Yeah, for sure.
So there we go, some delicious snacks. Let us know if you like this video. I know I certainly did.
I definitely did too.
There we go. See you in the next video.